Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Several students who have written their CA Foundation examinations in January 2021 are eagerly waiting when Masterminds is going to upload the suggested answers for descriptive subjects as well as memory based question paper of MCQ subjects. The wait is over, my dear students. We have already uploaded the same. So please visit our website www.mastermindsindia.com. Visit that website. On the home page itself, you can find CA Foundation question paper and the suggested answers of January 2021. So fill the details and you can download the suggested answers of descriptive subjects as well as memory based question paper and key of MCQ subjects, my dear students. And my dear students, several students have various doubts with respect to January 2021 attempt. One common doubt being expressed by the students is, sir, let us assume I have written my January 2021 examinations of CA Foundation and results may get announced in a matter of 2 months. Since exams got completed by the end of January, so it will take at least 2 months for the results to get announced from the date of completion of exams. So most probably results may get announced somewhere between March 20th to March 31st. So somewhere between those dates you can expect the announcement of results of CA Foundation of January 2021 attempt. But unfortunately the last date to get registered for CA Inter so as to get the eligibility for November 2020 exams of CA Inter is March 1st itself. So at any cost by March 1st the results of January 2021 attempt of CA Foundation exams will not be announced. That's why my dear students, most probably you may not be eligible to write your CA Inter exams in November 2020 and most probably you may get eligibility to write CA Inter exams in May 2021 itself, my dear students. Of course, CA Institute may take a different call and may even extend the last date of registration for November 2020. But even though so CA Institute gives such chance, the chances are only 50-50. So we cannot be 100% sure that CA Institute will definitely extend such last date. Now the next point several students are asking is, sir, when shall we join for CA Inter? My dear students, for the students of CA Foundation who have written their exams in December 2020, we are going to commence post results CA Inter regular batches within 1 or 2 days of announcement of CA Foundation results of December 2020 attempt. Most probably the CA Foundation results of December 2020 attempt may get announced on February 8th. Within 1 or 2 days of announcement of such results, within 1 or 2 days of announcement of such results, we will commence new CA Inter post results regular batches, my dear students. And these post results regular batches will be physically conducted in all our branches. As far as Guntur is concerned, we will give 2 options to the student. Either they can come and attend the classes physically or they can attend the classes through online mode. So both the options are open, my dear students. Now let us assume you wait to join for CA Inter till the announcement of results of January 2021 attempt, that is till March ending. Let us assume you wait till the announcement of CA Foundation results of January 2021 attempt, which may get announced by March ending. Don't forget that CA Inter coaching itself will take 7.5 months of time. Coaching itself will take 7.5 months of time. So if results get announced by March ending, CA Inter new batch may commence by April first week. Since coaching is commenced in the first week of April, it will take at least 7.5 months of time to finish this syllabus. That means April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So November 15th, 7.5 months of time is required to complete the syllabus of CA Inter. So syllabus itself will get completed by mid of November. In such a case, how can you appear for exams in November attempt? Obviously, you need to appear for exams in May 2021 itself, 22 itself. That means if you wait to join for CA Inter till the announcement of results of January 2021 attempt, even if CA Institute permits you to write your CA Inter exams in November 2021, your coaching will not get completed, and obviously you have to write your CA Inter exams in May 2022 itself. My dear students, don't forget that CA Inter coaching will definitely take at least 7.5 months of time to get finished, and it is not possible to reduce that time. What I am saying is 7.5 months of time is mandatory, and at any cost we cannot reduce such coaching time, my dear students. So please plan accordingly. Sir, what you are expecting us to do? The only thing I am expecting you to do is download the sized answers of descriptive subjects, download the memory based question papers and key of MCQ subjects, evaluate how many marks you can score in the public exams. If you are confident of qualifying CA Foundation of January 2021 attempt, then join for CA Inter immediately. Don't wait till the announcement of your results, which may get announced by March ending. Let us assume you have verified everything and you are not confident of qualifying CA Foundation of January 2021 attempt. In such a case, you join for CA Foundation crash batch immediately. Sir, when will CA Foundation crash batch will commence? CA Foundation crash batches will commence within 1 or 2 days of announcement of results of CA Foundation exams of December 2020 attempt. That means the results of December 2020 attempt may get announced on February 8th. So within 1 or 2 days we will form CA Foundation crash batches. You need to take admission in that batch so that you will get eligibility to write our exams in May 2021, my dear students. Let us assume you have not taken a decision, taken any decision to join for CA Foundation crash batch to be commenced on after announcement of results on February 8th, and you waited till the announcement of results of January 2021 attempt, that is till March ending, you have not taken any decision. Let us assume like such. So if results get announced by March ending, your next attempt will be there in the first week of May. So how many days you are left with for preparation? Only 35 days. Is it possible to give a coaching for us in just a matter of 35 days for CA Foundation? Impossible. So once you miss this opportunity to join coaching for CA Foundation, you will not get such opportunity again in future. So the only option is you need to take a decision immediately. If you are confident of qualifying CA Foundation, then join for CA Inter immediately. Even if you have the slightest doubt of not qualifying CA Foundation, then immediately join for CA Foundation crash batch. This is how you need to take your decision, my dear students. So don't wait till the announcement of results of January 2021 attempt. So this is what the conclusion is. Immediately download the sized answers and memory based question papers, and immediately assess your performance. While estimating the marks that you may get in the public exam, don't forget to deduct at least 10%. Let us assume you expected that you will get around 70 marks. Try to deduct at least 10%. So that becomes a most realistic estimate of your marks in the public exams. And don't be in a wrong notion that in public exams, marks will be awarded just like your 10th and intermediate. No, this is professional course. So marks will not be awarded liberally. All the best.